Did you know the microwave oven was invented by accident? In 1945, engineer Percy Spencer was working on radar technology when he noticed a chocolate bar in his pocket melted. Curious, he experimented with popcorn kernels and an egg, both of which reacted dramatically to the microwaves. This serendipitous discovery led to the invention of the microwave oven, revolutionizing how we cook and reheat food. From a simple snack to a kitchen essential, it's amazing how an accident can lead to a groundbreaking invention.